Hello, future scientists. It's Miss Pacenza, and today we are going to become plant detectives and investigate what helps a seed grow best. But before we do that, let's just talk about the science behind it all. So when we think about it, soil with water, the seed absorbs water, causing it to swell and soften the seed coat. This process is called imbibition. The absorbed water activates enzymes within the seed, initiating the breakdown of stored nutrients into simpler forms. These nutrients provide energy for the embryo's growth until it can perform photosynthesis. Soil without water, the seed cannot absorb moisture, swell, or soften its coat, preventing the activation of enzymes essential for germination. And lastly, soil with water and bleach while bleach can be used to break dormancy in some difficult to germinate seeds like sedges, excessive concentrations or prolonged exposure can damage or kill the seed embryo, inhibiting or preventing germination. So, do you remember what it's called when a seed starts to grow into a plant? Yes, you're right. It's called germination. Today, we're going to test out different liquids and how they affect seed growth. So here we have our 3 cups. Cup A, we are going to put just water in. Cup B, we're not going to put any water in it. And cup C, we're going to put water and a little bit of bleach. So let's get started. First thing we have to do is we have to put our soil into each cup. You want to put the soil about like 3/4 full, but not completely full to the top. So we're going to take our soil. We're going to it's making a bit of a mess. I would say that's pretty good for cup A. We're going to do the same amount in cup B. Just do it this way. Add a little more back to cup A. Okay, now let's fill up cup C. Okay, now it is time to take our radish seeds and plant. Because they're really small, we can put about 4 seeds in each cup. So let's do that. All right, so that's 4 seeds, and we're gonna just put them further down. So here they go, and then we're gonna cover them up. Okay, and we're gonna do the same thing to cup B. Okay, there's our 4 seeds. We're going to do the same thing. And we're going to place them in, cover them up. And lastly, we're going to do cup C. Okay. There's our 4 seeds. They're really small. And then we're going to place them in, cover them up. Okay. So now it is time to add our water. So remember, cup A is just getting water. So we're gonna put a little water in this. Okay, make sure the soil is nice and wet. This one, we're not putting any water in. But do you think it will grow if we don't put water in it? Just a question to think about. Okay, this one, we're gonna put water and bleach, which is the teacher's job, just because bleach is a chemical and we don't want you all to touch bleach. We're gonna just add a little bit of bleach to this. Okay. Bleach is a strong cleaner we use to kill germs, and it's not safe to touch or drink. What do you think will happen to the seed in this cup with water and bleach? It's going to be interesting. Okay. Now that we did all of our planting of our seeds in all 3 of these cups, now we will become seed scientists. Every day, we will check on our seeds that we just planted, and we will write them in our science journals. What we are going to look for in these daily observations are sprouts, green leaves, changes in color, which one will grow the fastest or doesn't even grow at all. Let's think of this prediction. Which cup A with water, cup B with no water, or cup C with water and bleach will grow the best? Okay. Now, I would like to show you what the process looks like after like a week and a half after we plant these seeds. So here is cup A with just water. See, I see some green leaves. I even see some stems. So it's definitely growing, but I think this one specifically would need a couple more weeks. Cup B with no water, I noticed some green leaves and the roots. So it did a really good, nice job without adding water to it. So that's cup B. And cup C, what do you think happened here? Yeah, nothing grew. And I really think it's because of the bleach, because the bleach is a chemical, and I think it killed the seed growth. So just remember, with our planting of the seeds, it will probably take about 3 weeks to start seeing the real plant come up, and you can see the radish. Okay, scientists, I hope you enjoyed this experiment. Bye.